Hi everybody, it's me Ash and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and want to see more crafty related videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and choose your preference on how you'd like YouTube to notify you of my videos. So today I'm back with some water bottles that I did. I did use my Cricut for this and vinyl, so it's like vinyl decal type ordeal. Now I've made these before, so if you are in my Facebook group you have seen these, but I made some new ones for Christmas presents for certain people for Christmas. So the first one I'm going to show, which Angela already knows it's coming, I made Angela. She, if you don't know who she is a YouTuber here on YouTube. She used to do crafty related videos, but now she's more into like beauty care, self-care kind of stuff. And she is absolutely in love with The Nightmare Before Christmas. She is one of my really good friends, and I decided for Christmas I was going to make her a water bottle that was Nightmare Before Christmas theme. So this is what it looks like. And it just says love, and it has Sally and Jack on it. Sally's hair is the V, and Jack is the O. I'm trying to, it's kind of hard. There we go. So that is that water bottle. The next water bottle I made for my dad's friend. She saw this and absolutely loved it. She has a hilarious sense of humor. She's the one that we are going to be using her camper to stay in while we are down there. So as a thank you for her, I am making her a thank you card, and I'm also giving her this water bottle. I plan on trying to figure out what her favorite candy is before I go down there so I can fill the water bottle up with that. So it is this, and it just says Elf this, and she fell in love with that one. So I'm trying to get it closer. Look, we got some elf ears and the hat. Super cute, love it. One of my favorites. The next one is for my brother's girlfriend, and it says drink up Grinches on it, and it has a Grinch face. So drink up Grinches. And last but not least, this one is for my brother. It just says ho 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 y'all on it. So that is it. Those are what I wanted to show you guys. Actually, you know what? I guess I can show you guys the other Christmas things that I have. Also, well, it's not, they're Christmas presents for people, but I made these for a craft show before, and they sold pretty well. I got these clipboards at Michael's a couple months ago, and I couldn't figure out what I want to do with them. They have like a little hole in the back where you put a peg so that they sit up like a picture frame, and that's pretty much what these are. They're like a picture holder clipboard. And so I just stained them because they were a light wood. I stained them doing the water and acrylic paint trick. And I'm telling you guys, this stuff works really good like that. And then I just used my Cricut to make a decal for the bottom that says family on this one. So this is going to be a Christmas present for somebody. And then here's another one that I got, that I did. Same technique with the red. I have fuzzies stuck to it, and I don't know where the fuzzies came from. Same technique as I did with the brown for the red. I used water and red paint. This one says, here comes Santa Paws, for an animal lover in the household. Super cute. And that is another gift that I'm going to be giving away. So that is it for this video. Short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. And until next time, stay blessed. Bye.